Do you know a better data story in a business helps in reaching the business goals and add a dollar to the organization? I'm Priya, fellow at Alpha AI. My data story is all about understanding the business and building a strategy to increase 25% sales of US store for 2020. We have four regions and thousands of customers and few subcategories. We need to know which combination of subcategories need to be promoted in what region to achieve 25% sales. Here the strategy is simple. Subcategories are chosen based on their contribution in nationwide and going deep into the regions and states for finding the opportunities. Here the sales for 2019 is about 1.03 million and we have to achieve the target of sales 2020 is 1.28 million. West is contributing about 38%, East 33%, South 14%, Central 15%. This view gives an idea of sales of different subcategories in nationwide. I am going to select those subcategories which are medium contributors, and this gives the analysis of subcategories and their contribution on the top. Here we can know the contribution of different subcategories region wise, and we can see that in West we can increase the sales of phones and tables to increase the sales, and in East we can find opportunities by increasing sales of tables, appliances and binders. In South, we can increase sales of copiers, appliances and storage, and in Central, we can increase the sales of copiers and appliances. Uh, these these are the views of top 5 sales contributing states in the region. In Central region, the opportunity to increase the sales of appliances is present in Minnesota and Michigan, and sales of copiers can be increased at Indiana and Texas. In the similar way, in South region, the opportunity to increase the sales of copiers is seen in Florida and Tennessee, and sales of appliances can be increased in Florida and Tennessee, and sales of storage can increase at Georgia and Florida. The same the same selected subcategory sales is calculated using GoalSeek tool. What if analysis? The results from the GoalSeek is seen here. This table gives an information about about the subcategories and how much percentage sales they should be increased in order to achieve a 25% increase in sales. For example, let us say in Central region, to achieve our target, we must increase appliances to 357% and sales of copiers to 147%. And in West, we must increase the sales of phone to 162% and sales of table to 123%. Therefore, I want to summarize my goal seek analysis using this view. In order to achieve a target of about 1.28 million, the Central contributes $37,000 by increasing the sales of appliances and copiers in that region. East contributes about $85,000 by increasing the sales of tables, binders and appliances. By increasing the sales of storage, appliances and copiers in South region, it contributes $36,000. In West, we can achieve $98,000 increase by increasing the sales of tables and phones. In this analysis, our aim of increasing 25% sales is achieved.